Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a cheeseburger. Start with quality ground beef, ideally an 80-20 blend for the juiciest burgers. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions, each weighing about 1/3 of a pound. Gently form them into patties roughly 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. A small dimple in the center helps them cook evenly without puffing up. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Now let's get cooking. Heat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. Place the seasoned patties directly on the hot surface. For a delicious medium rare, cook for about 3 minutes per side. If you prefer medium, aim for 4 to 5 minutes per side. During the final minute of cooking, place a slice of your favorite cheese on top to achieve that perfect melt. With your patties perfectly cooked and cheesy, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast your burger buns on the grill or in a pan for about 1 minute until golden brown. This adds a lovely texture and prevents sogginess. Spread your preferred condiments like mayonnaise or mustard on both the top and bottom buns. Then, layer your juicy patty, melted cheese, and fresh toppings such as lettuce, tomato, and onion. The best part about cheeseburgers is customizing them with your favorite toppings. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion for a fresh crunch. Don't forget the classic pickles, ketchup, and mustard. For an extra kick, consider adding some jalapenos or a special sauce. Serve your masterpiece immediately with a side of crispy fries or a fresh salad for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.